In this quick video, I will show you how to replace the internal battery in your Chevy Corvette key fob. Now, some of you out there might have a device that looks like this one, but instead of having 4 buttons, it has 5 or 6. Doesn't matter which version you have, as long as you have this rectangular key fob, the silver bottom, the process is going to be the same no matter how many buttons you have, and the battery is also the same. So just follow along with me here, and I promise we'll get a new battery in your device in under 5 minutes. The only things you will need to get this done is a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. You can get these batteries online, and if you want to go check out the link in the description, that link will take you over to Amazon where you can find these batteries for just a few dollars. Now the first step is just to hold on this button on the front of the device while you pull out the bottom key. You can set that to the side. Some people will tell you to actually use this key and put it back in the keyhole and twist. Don't do that. I think you're going to damage your key fob if you end up doing that. The easiest thing to do is come in here, find the keyhole, and then find this little seam in the plastic. It's this seam that runs all the way along. You can actually see through it right there. We're just going to go from the inside and just wiggle our flathead screwdriver in. You can see it's stuck in there, and now I have made a little opening in the side. From here, I'm just going to put the flathead in that opening and give a twist. It's opened up more, and now I'm just going to slide it down, twist, twist, and just finish it off until it opens up nicely like that. Now we have access to the battery. We can use the same flathead screwdriver to come in where there's this little opening. Try to catch that right here. There's this little space where the plastic housing around the battery has a little opening. We're just going to take a flathead screwdriver or anything really, a pen, pencil would work, and you're just going to go in there and gently pry the battery up. So let me show you that one more time. If you're holding it with the bottom facing up, you're just coming in on the top right corner, okay? And then get under the battery and pry it up. The battery will come out with this little metal component on it. Just push it right out. You can set this down. Go ahead and dispose of your old battery. Make sure your new battery is a 2032 battery. And when we're putting it back in, we want this positive side that has the plus sign on it to be facing down. So go and grab that little metal component. You can see there are parts that stick up and then a flat bottom. You want to just pop this into place like that so that the positive side is sticking out the bottom. And now we can just drop this whole thing right in there. Going to line it up so that this little metal component goes in its housing. You can see there's this shape right there. Fits in like a key, and you just then push it all into place. And once it's in there nice and snug, we can just click the two halves of the device back together. Just go ahead and line it up and snap it all back together. And you can put your key back in there, and you are finished. I hope that helped you out, and if it did, you can always let me know down in the comments or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, come back to this channel. We've got you covered with a video for the key fob for pretty much every make or model out there. And you can also get that information over at our website, fobbattery.com.